discuss about another method of square root for class 9 mathematics. We were at question number 1. Now today we will discuss question number 2. That is another method for square root, that is called division method. Part 1 is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square plus 16x plus 24y plus 16. We need to find the square root of this question. To find the square root of this question, first of all, you need to arrange it. This is arranged series of this expression. Now the technique here is to solve. You need to write here, just like in division criteria. For division method, you need a divisor. Divisor means to a number through which we need to divide this expression, but we don't have any number that is called divisor. So we need to judge that what is the divisor. For that purpose, the criteria is very first expression, that is 4x square. You need to write here in rough 4x square. Find the square root of it. Find the square root of very first expression, 4x square. After applying square root on it, what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x square is x. This square can cancel this square root, that is x. So you can say that 4x square root is 2x. 4 square root is 2. X square root is because after applying square root on x square, you can cancel the square root, you are left with only x. The very first expression, square root, that is 2x. So you need to write 2x here and also here. This is divisor. Now multiply this 2x to this 2x, you are left with 2 to the 4 and x with this x square, 4x square. So you need to write here 4x square, beneath this 4x square, change the sign. This is positive 4x square, this is negative 4x square, and cancel it. Now you are left with 12xy plus 9y square. Only two expressions you need to put it down here. And for this divisor, 2x, you need to multiply it with 2. 2 times it will be 2 to the 4, 4x. This will be 4x. This will be 12xy plus 9y square will be here, and this 2x will be 2 times, and you need to put here 2 to the 4x and it. Now another thing that is missing, this part. What is this part? To find the value of it, this expression, very first part, that is 12xy, in numerator, and this divisor is on denominator. Now divide it, x will cancel to this x, 4 1 the 4, 4 3 the 12, and you are left with 3y. This 3y with positive sign, it will be here, and also this 3y will be here. Now it's this 3y term. This 3y we are going to multiply to this 4x. 3y multiplied by 4x, that is 12xy. 4 3 are 12, x and y. 3y multiplied to this 4x means 12xy. After that, this 3y multiplied by this 3y, that is 9y square. 3 3 is 9y square. Change the signs, cancel this one and cancel this one. Now, after that, you are left with these 3 items because these 3 items are totally cancelled. You are left with 16x. Put it down, plus 24y, and then plus 16. Now, First, you need to double this expression. Now it's 3y term to double it. This 4x will be here, plus this 3y will be, this is multiplied by 2. And now this time, this 3y will be multiplied by 2. That is 2 3 are 6 y. And now for this space, we require a number. That is again same criteria. Very first number of this from 16x will be a numerator, and very first number of this divisor, that is 4x, divide them, x will cancel to this x. For 1 the 4, for 4 the 16. This 4 will be the answer. So this plus 4 will be here, and also this plus 4 will be here. And that's it. Now 4 will going to multiply to this one, 4 the 16x. Change the sign, cancel it. Now this 4 terms with this 6y, 4 6 are 24y. Change the sign, cancel it. This 4 will going to multiply to this 4, that is 4 4 the 16. Change the sign and cancel it. Now, this is your answer. This all expression, square root is this 2x plus 3y plus 2. This was your part number 1. Now, for part number 2, if you have any minor question regarding this question, you can clear it within part 2. Same as the criteria for part 2. Now, other part is this. To find the square root of this part. Again, using division method, you need to solve it. The first, you need a divisor. The divisor will be the very first expression, square root. This is x raised power 4. Its square root will be x square. X raised power 4 square root will be x. So x square will be here, and also you need to apply x square here or here. Either you need to right. X square will going to multiply to this x square means x raised power 4. Change the sign and cancel it. Now you need to put other two values here with sign. This is minus 10x cube. This is plus 37x cube. Now you need to write this value here, but after doubling it. Doubling means multiply by 2. 2x square, and you are left with this portion. We need another value here, but how we can find this value? For that purpose, the very first number, that is this, but this time you need to write with sign minus 10x cube. That is on numerator, and this divisor that will be on denominator. Now solve it. X square will cancel this. X raised power 1. 2 1s are 2 to 5 that time, so you are left with minus 5x. This minus 5x will be, this is not positive, this is minus 5x, and this is again the minus 5x will be here. So now it's minus 5x term. Minus 5x will going to multiply to this 2x here, that is minus 10x cube. Positive sign and cancel it, and then minus 5x with this minus 5x makes minus into minus plus 5 5 are 25x square. Change the sign. Now 37 minus 25 makes 12x square. Now you are left with minus 60x and plus 36 because we have utilized still till 37x squared. You are left with minus 60x and plus 36. Now, this time it's minus 5x down to double 8. 2x squared will be as it is. And minus, this time, this will going to multiply to 2 to 5 the 10x, and you are left with this portion. To find what will be appear here, again apply the same criteria. That is, very first number, that is 12x squared, and divisor, very first part, that is 2x squared. Cancel them. 1 by 2, 2, 6 by 12. Plus 6 will be here, and plus 6 will also be here. So it's time for 6. 6 multiplied by this 2, that is 12x squared. Change the sign, cancel it. That 6 multiplied by minus 10x. We need to say minus 60x. Change the sign and cancel it. That 6 will go to multiply to this 6. 6 6 or 36. Change the sign and cancel it. Now this is your answer. This square root is this. Very easy and very simple question. Now for part 3. Part 3 is 9 x raised power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 2x plus 1. Again, it's the same thing. You need to apply here. The simple question, but we will solve part number 4. That is again same. Part 4. That is 4 plus 25x squared minus 12x minus 24x cubed plus 16x with power. You need to find the square root of it. First of all, you need to arrange themselves. In the previous questions, all the values were arranged. But in this question, all the values are not arranged. First of all, you need to arrange it. According to the power, you need to write it first. 16x raised power 4. Then lower power, that is minus 24x. Then again it's lower power, that is plus 25x squared. Then minus 12x. Then plus 4. Now this is arranged. Well, arranged. After arranging, here we go. This is in descending order according to the power. The first step is very first expression, that is this. Find the square root of it. 16 x raised power 4. What is the square root of it? 16 square root is 4, 4 4 is 16. X raised power 4 square root is x square. So this 4x square will be our divisor here and also here. Now this 4x square, we are going to multiply to this 4x square means x raised power 4. Applied, change the sign, cancel it. Now after that, two values minus 24x plus 24x, 25x. Now for this time, 4x square will be here as twice. 4 the multiply by 2. 4 the 8x square. Now we need to find the number which need to appear here. For that purpose, division will help. The very first, that is minus 24 x cube on numerator, and this on denominator. Now solve it. X square will be 1. 8 3 are 24. This is minus 3x. This minus 3x will be here, and this minus 3x will be also here. Minus 3x multiplied by this 8x square. That is minus 24x cube. Change the sign, cancel it. This minus 3x multiplied by this minus 3x makes minus into minus plus 9x square. Change the sign and now solve it. 25 minus 9 makes 16 x square, and after that minus 12x and plus 4. Now for this time, 8x square will be as it is. This minus 3x going to multiply with 2. 2 3s are 6. Now for here, we require again division method. The very first number, 16x square. On numerator, the very first number, 8x square. On denominator, cancel them. 8 1 8 8 2 is 16. Plus 2 will be here, and plus 2 will be here. This 2 will make it. 2 8 is 16 x square. Cancel it. 2 into minus 6, minus 12x. 2 2s are 4. Cancel it. Now this is your answer. Again, simple are these questions. Now for last part is again this, but we need to solve it. We need to find the square root of. Again, you need to apply simply the same method which we have already applied. First of all, you need the square root of very first one. X square over y square. Apply square root on it. This square will cancel this square root, this square will cancel this square root. So you are left with only x over y. X square over y square root is x over y. X over y here and x over y again here. X over y will going to multiply to this x over y makes x square over y square. Change the sign and cancel it. After that, minus 10x over y, 10 plus 27. Now double this value after multiply by 2. After multiply by 2 makes 2x over y. This 2 will only multiply to the numerator. That makes 2x over y. Now we need advisor here. We can find this through division method, that is first value is minus 10x over y, and in denominator that is 2x over y. This x over y and this x over y will cancel each other. 1 the 2 to 5. This is minus 5. So minus 5 will be here and minus 5 will also be here. This minus 5 will going to multiply to this 2x over y, that makes minus 10x over y. Change the sign, cancel it. Minus 5 into minus 5 makes plus 25. change the sign, and operate it. 27 minus 25 makes 2, and then we are left with these two values that are minus 10y over x plus y square over x square. Now you are left with this. This 2x over y will be as it is. This minus 5 will be, after multiplied by 2, makes minus 10. And what will be here? We need to calculate it. This 2 will be the very first expression, that is, this 2 will be a numerator, and this 2x over y will be on denominator. This 2 will cancel to this 2, and this denominator, and then again fraction. This y will go into upside. So this will be y over x. We are left with only y over x. Plus y over x will be here. And also this plus y over x will be here. Now multiply this y over x to 3 of them. 2x over y multiplied by this y over x makes, you can perform this calculation here. This y over x will going to multiply to this 2x over y. This x cancel this x, y will be this y, and you are left with only 2. So this 2 will be here. Cancel it, change the sign. Now, this y over x will going to multiply to this minus 10. This makes minus 10y over x. Right? Minus 10y over x. Change the sign, cancel it. Now, finally, this y over x multiplied to this y over x makes y square over x. Change the sign and cancel it. So you are left with this answer. And that's it. This was totally your question number 2. Question number 2 is complete. One thing you need to know is, after solving this question, these questions, you are left with the remainder that is 0. Nothing is left. So this is the symbol of a perfect square. Now question number 3 is, find the value of k if 4x to the power 4 minus 12x cubed plus 37x squared minus 42x plus k is perfect square. We need to find the value of k now. For this value of k is giving us the hint that this is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. If this is a perfect square, then you can easily find the square root of it. If we can easily find the square root of it, then you can say that its remainder will be 0. So, find the square root of it, apply again those methods. First of all, 4x to the power 4, its square root is 4 square root is 2, x to the power 4 square root is x square. This 2x square will be here and also will be here. 2x square multiplied by this 2x square makes 4x to the power 4. Negative sign cancel. Now, minus 12x cubed plus 37x cubed will be here. And after multiplying multiplying this with 2 to the 4x square. Now we need a number here. For that purpose, minus 12x cubed will be a numerator and 4x square will be a denominator. X square will cancel this one. 4 1 the 4 3 the 12. We are left with minus 3x. This minus 3x will be here, and this minus 3x will also be there. So now minus 3x multiplied by this 4x square makes minus 12x cubed. Change the sign, cancel it. Minus 3x multiplied by minus 3x makes plus 9x square. Change the sign. So 37 minus 9 makes 28 x square. Then minus 42x and then plus 8. Now 4x square will be as it is. Minus 3x after multiplying it by 2, 2 3 is 6x. Find another number, last number is 28x square will be on numerator and 4x square will be on denominator. X square will cancel to this x square. So 4 1 the 4, 4 7 the 28. This is plus 7. Plus 7 will be here and also here. 7 4 the 28, 28x square. Change the sign, cancel it. 7 6 the 42, minus 42x. Change the sign, cancel it. By 7 into 7 plus 49. This is constant. Change the sign. And you are left with k minus 49. One thing you need to remember, if this is a perfect square, then its remainder must be equal to 0. So you are left with k minus 49, which is equal to 0 according to its given situation. So from that, k minus 49 is equal to 0. You can easily find the value of k. This was the value of k, that is 49. So through these division methods, we can easily find this unknown variable value, that is k. You can easily do the part number 2 also by applying these methods, these division methods. You can easily do this. These are very important questions according to board point of view. Now, if you have any question regarding today's lecture or previous lectures, you can ask it now.